As you can see, there is a lot of dust on my computer. Not my CPU pen, which is full of just dust and dirt and whatever that is. Yes, there's a lot of dust in here. Just hold it upright, straight, and hold the pull the trigger for 2 to 3 seconds, and do that right here. Start from the top. Wow, there's a lot of dust. All that dust. You wanna, oh my god, this is a lot of dust. Okay, so let me just sit down. When you feel it's cold, take a break. And you just wanna not shake it and just go, don't shake it and just go, hold it straight and have like light strokes and just